Hello fellow travelers, today we are whisked away to a captivating village in the Netherlands. Welcome to Giethoorn, a place often called the Venice of the Netherlands. This picturesque village offers a glimpse into a simpler time. Imagine a world without cars where life moves at the pace of the canals. Giethoorn is a maze of charming canals, arched wooden bridges and thatched roof farmhouses. It's a place where nature reigns supreme. Lush greenery lines the waterways and the air hums with the gentle sounds of birdsong. Join me as we embark on a virtual walking tour of this enchanting destination. Get ready to be charmed by the tranquility and beauty that is uniquely Giethoorn. This is a place where you can truly escape the hustle and bustle of modern life. So sit back, relax, and let's discover the magic of Giethoorn together. Giethoorn's history dates back to the 13th century. A group of peat farmers settled in this region. They dug for peat, a type of fuel, and created the canals we see today. These canals were originally used for transporting peat and other goods. Over time, the village evolved. The canals became the main mode of transportation. Today, Giethoorn's layout remains largely unchanged. It's a testament to its rich history and traditional way of life. Walking through Giethoorn is like stepping back in time. The village has carefully preserved its heritage. You'll see traditional farmhouses adorned with vibrant flowers. Many of these houses are centuries old. They offer a glimpse into the architectural styles of the past. Giethoorn is often referred to as the Venice of the Netherlands. This nickname perfectly captures its unique charm. Just like Venice, Giethoorn is a village built on water. Canals replace roads and boats are the primary mode of transport. But Giethoorn offers a different kind of magic. It's more tranquil and intimate than its Italian counterpart. Imagine gliding along the canals in a whisper-quiet boat. The only sounds you hear are the birds chirping and the water lapping against the hull. This is Giethoorn, a place where time seems to stand still. It's a place to reconnect with nature. It's a place to experience the true meaning of peace and quiet. Are you ready to discover this hidden gem? Then subscribe to our channel. Join us as we continue our virtual adventure through the captivating village of Giethoorn. Giethoorn's unique character is defined by its relationship with water. The canals, far from being mere aesthetic elements, are the lifeblood of the village. They weave through the landscape like silver ribbons, connecting homes, businesses, and green spaces. Imagine stepping out your front door and onto your own private pier. Your mode of transportation? A charming, flat-bottomed boat. These boats, known locally as punters, glide silently through the water, powered by a single pole or a quiet electric motor. In Giethoorn, the canals aren't just a means of getting around, they are a way of life. They foster a sense of community. Neighbors chat over fences as their boats gently bob nearby. Children play along the banks, their laughter echoing over the water. The punters of Giethoorn are more than just boats, they are symbols of the village's peaceful rhythm. These traditional vessels are crafted from wood, their flat bottoms designed to navigate the shallow canals. Navigating a punter is an art passed down through generations. It requires a gentle touch and a keen sense of balance. The long pole used for propulsion glides silently through the water, barely disturbing the tranquility. For visitors, renting a punter is a must-do experience. It's the perfect way to explore the intricate network of canals at your own pace. Drift along the waterways, soaking in the sights and sounds of this enchanting village. The canals of Giethoorn are more than just transportation routes. They are a defining feature of the village's landscape. Over 100 bridges arch over the waterways, connecting the various islands and peninsulas that make up Giethoorn. These bridges, often made of wood and painted in charming hues, add to the village's fairy-tale-like ambiance. They offer picturesque vantage points from which to admire the surrounding scenery. Walking along the canals is just as enchanting as boating. Footpaths meander alongside the waterways, shaded by weeping willows and lined with colorful flowers. It's a chance to slow down, breathe in the fresh air, and appreciate the beauty of your surroundings. What strikes many visitors about Giethoorn is the pervasive sense of peace. The absence of car traffic creates an almost surreal quietude. The only sounds are the gentle lapping of water against the boats, the chirping of birds, and the laughter of children playing. This tranquility is a welcome respite from the hustle and bustle of modern life. It's a chance to reconnect with nature and experience a slower pace of living. Time seems to move differently in Giethoorn. Whether you're exploring by boat or on foot, the canals of Giethoorn offer a unique perspective on this enchanting village. They are the arteries that connect the heart of Giethoorn, pulsating with the rhythm of a simpler, more tranquil way of life. Giethoorn's charm isn't just skin deep, it's woven into the very fabric of its buildings and the stories they tell. The village is a living museum of traditional Dutch architecture, with centuries-old farmhouses standing as proud reminders of its heritage. These houses, with their characteristic thatched roofs, exude a timeless appeal. The thatch itself, made from reeds harvested from nearby marshes, speaks to the deep connection between the villagers and their natural surroundings. Each roof is a testament to generations of craftsmanship, carefully maintained to preserve its beauty and functionality. But the charm doesn't stop there. Step inside these historic homes and you'll discover interiors rich in warmth and character. Exposed wooden beams, often darkened with age, speak to the passage of time. Cozy fireplaces hint at chilly evenings spent gathered around crackling fires, sharing stories passed down through generations. To truly understand Giethoorn, we must delve into its past, to the time when peat farmers first carved out this unique landscape. Peat, a type of fuel formed from decomposed plant matter, was once the lifeblood of this region. These hardworking individuals dug canals to extract peat and transport it to nearby towns and cities. Little did they know that their efforts would one day create a landscape of such captivating beauty. The canals, once purely practical, now serve as shimmering pathways, leading visitors on a journey through Giethoorn's enchanting heart. The legacy of the peat farmers extends beyond the canals themselves. The very soil beneath Giethoorn, rich in nutrients from centuries of decomposed peat, has nurtured lush gardens and vibrant flower beds that adorn the village. It's a testament to the enduring connection between human endeavor and the natural world. Giethoorn isn't a place frozen in time, it's a living, breathing community where tradition and modernity coexist in harmony. While the village has embraced the conveniences of modern life, it has done so without sacrificing its unique character. You won't find cars clogging the narrow lanes of Giethoorn. Instead, residents and visitors alike embrace the slower pace of life, navigating the canals by boat or strolling along the charming footpaths. It's a refreshing change of pace, a chance to reconnect with the simple pleasures of life. And while Giethoorn welcomes visitors from around the globe, it hasn't lost sight of its roots. Local festivals and events celebrate the village's heritage, keeping traditions alive for future generations. The residents of Giethoorn are acutely aware of the treasure they possess. They've taken great care to preserve their village's unique character and ensure that its beauty endures for generations to come. Sustainable tourism is paramount. Efforts to minimize the environmental impact of tourism are evident throughout the village, from the use of electric boats to the careful preservation of green spaces. It's a testament to the villagers' commitment to protecting their paradise. The story of Giethoorn is a reminder that progress doesn't have to come at the expense of beauty or tradition. It's a place where the past and present intertwine, creating a tapestry rich in charm, history, and a deep respect for the natural world. While the canals are undoubtedly Giethoorn's star attraction, this enchanting village has much more to offer the curious traveler. Beyond the waterways, a world of hidden gems awaits, each adding its unique charm to the Giethoorn experience. Venture beyond the well-trodden paths, and you'll discover quaint shops tucked away in charming corners, offering handcrafted souvenirs and local delicacies. Pause to admire the intricate details of a hand-painted tile, or savor the aroma of freshly baked stroopwafels, a Dutch treat that will tantalize your taste buds. Giethoorn's charm lies not only in its picturesque scenery, but also in the warmth of its people. Strike up a conversation with a local, and you'll be greeted with friendly smiles and a willingness to share their love for their village. They are the keepers of Giethoorn's stories, eager to share insights that will deepen your appreciation for this special place. For those seeking a deeper dive into Giethoorn's past, several museums offer fascinating glimpses into the village's history and culture. Each museum is a treasure trove of artifacts and stories, providing insights into the lives of the people who have called Giethoorn home for generations. The Old Giethoorn Museum takes you on a journey back in time, showcasing traditional farmhouses and workshops furnished as they would have been in centuries past. You'll witness firsthand the ingenuity and resilience of the peat farmers who shaped this unique landscape. Another must-visit is the Museum de Oud Aard, or Museum of the Old Earth. This unique museum houses a remarkable collection of gemstones, minerals, and fossils from around the world. It's a fascinating exploration of the Earth's geological wonders, sure to spark curiosity in visitors of all ages. Beyond the canals and charming architecture, Giethoorn offers a sanctuary for nature lovers. The surrounding countryside is a patchwork of verdant meadows, sparkling lakes, and serene nature reserves, perfect for escaping the village's gentle bustle. Rent a bicycle and embark on a leisurely exploration of the network of cycling paths that crisscross the region. Feel the wind in your hair as you pedal through picturesque landscapes, stopping to admire grazing sheep or the graceful flight of a heron over a tranquil lake. For a truly immersive nature experience, venture into the Weerribben National Park, a sprawling wetland wilderness just a stone's throw from Giethoorn. Here you can explore by boat or on foot, marveling at the rich biodiversity of this protected ecosystem. Giethoorn is a village for all seasons, each offering its unique charm and allure. Spring transforms the landscape into a riot of color as tulips and daffodils burst into bloom, their vibrant hues reflected in the shimmering canals. Summer brings long, sunny days, perfect for leisurely boat rides and al fresco dining. As autumn descends, the leaves transform into a breathtaking tapestry of golds, reds, and oranges, casting a warm glow over the village. Cozy up in a canal-side cafe with a steaming cup of Dutch hot chocolate and watch the world go by. Winter transforms Giethoorn into a scene from a fairy tale as a blanket of snow covers the thatched roofs and the canals freeze over. If you're lucky, you might even witness the magical sight of ice skating on the frozen waterways. Giethoorn experiences distinct seasons, each painting the village in a different light, offering unique experiences year-round, vibrant blooms of spring, sun-drenched summer days, fiery autumn hues, and fairy tale winter magic. Giethoorn has something special to offer every season. Spring in Giethoorn is a spectacle of rebirth and renewal, a time when nature awakens from its winter slumber and explodes in a riot of color. Tulips, daffodils, and hyacinths paint the landscape in vibrant hues, their sweet fragrance carried on the gentle breeze. Imagine strolling along the canal banks surrounded by a kaleidoscope of blooms. The air buzzes with the sound of bees busily collecting pollen, and the cheerful chirping of birdsong fills the air. Every corner you turn reveals a new photo opportunity, a testament to the fleeting beauty of spring. Spring is also the perfect time to witness the village awaken from its winter slumber. Cafes and restaurants reopen their outdoor terraces, inviting visitors to bask in the warm sunshine and enjoy a leisurely lunch or a refreshing drink. The canals, once again bustling with activity, offer a unique perspective on the village's vibrant life. Summer in Giethoorn is a time for leisurely exploration, for embracing the slow pace of life and soaking up the long sun-drenched days. The canals become shimmering ribbons of light, reflecting the azure sky above, and the air is filled with the sound of birdsong and the gentle hum of insects. Rent a boat and spend your days meandering through the network of waterways, stopping to admire the charming houses with their well-tended gardens, or simply relax on the water, soaking up the tranquil ambiance. The absence of car traffic creates a sense of peace and quiet that is both rare and rejuvenating. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the water, find a cozy spot along the canal bank and enjoy a picnic dinner. The air cools slightly, and the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant colors, marking the end of another perfect day in Giethoorn. As summer surrenders to autumn, Giethoorn undergoes a breathtaking transformation. Leaves erupt in golds, reds and oranges, mirrored in the still waters below. Take a leisurely walk along the canal paths, crunching through fallen leaves. Then comes winter, transforming Giethoorn into a fairy tale scene. Snow blankets the thatched roofs, creating a picturesque winter wonderland. The frozen canals become pathways for ice skaters, their laughter echoing. As our virtual journey through Giethoorn draws to a close, we're left with a profound sense of wonder. This enchanting village with its intricate network of canals and charming bridges has captured our imaginations. We've witnessed the tranquility of its waterways, the gentle rocking of boats gliding through the water, and the cheerful chirping of birdsong. Giethoorn is a place where nature and human ingenuity coexist in perfect harmony. Giethoorn is more than just a pretty picture. It's an experience, a journey for the senses and the soul. It's a place to escape the hustle and bustle of modern life, to reconnect with nature, and to rediscover a sense of peace and tranquility that often eludes us in our busy lives. Imagine yourself strolling hand in hand with a loved one along the canal paths, the only sound the gentle lapping of water against the wooden boats moored nearby. Picture yourself sipping coffee at a canal-side cafe, watching the world go by at a leisurely pace, the aroma of freshly baked stroopwafels filling the air. Envision yourself renting a boat and embarking on your own adventure, exploring the hidden corners of this enchanting village, the sun warming your face and a gentle breeze whispering through the reeds. Giethoorn offers a unique opportunity to create memories that will last a lifetime. Memories filled with beauty, tranquility, and a renewed appreciation for the simple things in life. In a world that often feels increasingly fast-paced and overwhelming, Giethoorn offers a sanctuary, a place to disconnect from the digital world and reconnect with yourself and your surroundings. It's a place to silence the noise of notifications and embrace the soothing sounds of nature, to trade the glare of screens for the soft glow of candlelight reflecting on the water. Giethoorn invites you to slow down, to savor each moment, to engage your senses, and appreciate the beauty that surrounds you. It's a place to wander without an agenda, to get lost in the labyrinthine canals, and to stumble upon hidden gems around every corner. Whether you seek adventure, romance, or simply a chance to escape and recharge, Giethoorn offers a unique and unforgettable experience. It's a place to create memories that will stay with you long after you've returned home, memories that will inspire you to seek out the beauty and tranquility in your everyday life. So what are you waiting for? Add Giethoorn to your travel bucket list and start planning your adventure today. Whether you're dreaming of a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or a solo escape, Giethoorn has something to offer every traveler. Research the best time to visit based on your interests, whether you yearn for the vibrant blooms of spring, the sun-drenched days of summer, the fiery hues of autumn, or the fairy tale magic of winter. Book your accommodations, from cozy canal-side cottages to luxurious hotels, and start planning your itinerary, filled with boat trips, museum visits, nature walks, and culinary delights. And most importantly, come prepared to embrace the Giethoorn way of life. Slow down, unplug, and savor every moment in this enchanting village. Let the beauty of your surroundings wash over you, and allow yourself to be captivated by the magic that is uniquely Giethoorn. Thank you for joining us on this virtual journey to the enchanting village of Giethoorn. We hope we've inspired you to experience its magic firsthand. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration from around the globe. We're always on the lookout for new adventures, so be sure to leave a comment below and tell us about your dream travel destinations. Until then, happy travels, and may your journeys be filled with wonder and discovery.